really cozy, it's dimly lit, and you have a sagada with decor on the walls because they are promoting local beans. Where coffees we have beans directly bought from Sagada, and they also have imports from other countries. Today, me and my friends ordered two kinds of pasta. The one with the olives is really good. However, the one made from pesto doesn't really hit the spot. And we also have these selections of cakes. I had the chocolate cake, so this is pesto pasta. This is mushrooms, also baked again. Now this has become one of my